Fam, what it do, y'all? What it do? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. Your boy is back at it again, and I'm back with another video in regards to a package that I just got in. So while we are waiting for our CVF package video and all that goodness to kind of get sorted out, in the meantime, the Christmas gods, all right, the car gods supplied me with another package that came in to kind of, you know, satisfy me until we get the CVF deal resolved. So if you don't know about the CVF serpentine kit issue that I am going through right now, go ahead and check out my other video. We talk a little bit about that. But in the meantime, I actually got a package here from Viking, all right, Viking. So I actually ordered it from UMI Performance Viking. It's a coilover set that I got. So what I got is a complete A-body coilover set that can lower the car, I think, up to 2 inches. So it can go from like zero, like stock height, to 2 inches lowered below that. So anyways, I'm really excited about that because this is my first coilover kit I've ever owned. I've never even held one. Obviously, I've seen them on cars, but I've never have had any experience with them. And doing lots of research on different kits and things like QA1, Viking, I think even Hotchkiss has one, and I'm sure there's a couple other ones as well. Man, I mean, I'm sure there's variances kind of in between them all, but for the type of driving that I'm doing, for me, they're probably gonna be pretty much all the same. The majority of the people that have these kits are really happy with Viking and Ride Tech. I just decided to kind of go with Viking. That's kind of what my gut was kind of leaning me towards, and it was simple. They had the kit already laid out for a body. I got double adjustables, so I have full range of adjustment and all that kind of stuff to set the car how I want it. And especially with the rims that I'm going for, or I'm going to put on the car, they should do me just fine. Interesting, the kit only came, partially came, so I don't know, just because of supplying issues or whatnot, they maybe put an order in with Viking for the front kit and then maybe outsourced it to somewhere else. I'm not sure, because I called Viking to ask them, say like, hey, I only got my front kit, where's the rest? And so you can't order directly from Viking's website. You have to go to one of the suppliers. So I went through UMI, and they said that they only had got an order for fronts. So just to be sure, I'm gonna call UMI tomorrow just to kind of see what's up and see what they had ended up doing. So I don't know if they're going to somebody else or whatnot. Their site did say that they were 4 weeks out at the time that I ordered. But then when I went back to the site just to kind of just double check my order, now they're 7 to 8 weeks out. So this kit that I actually got it in exactly 4 weeks from the date that I ordered it, which was November 15th. And I got this one in on the 15th, which is today. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I actually already opened it up because I was filming to do a video for you guys, and I found out that it was only the front kit, so which made sense because it came in this smaller box here. So I don't know, I never ordered a coilover kit, so I wasn't sure how big the pieces were or not, but I thought the whole kit was in there. Ended up just being the front. So now I'm redoing the video and I'll show you guys kind of what's up. So I won't do a total unboxing, I'll just do 2 of the boxes since it's basically double of the other side. So if you're new to the channel, I am restoring a 1971 Chevelle from the ground up. Me and a couple buddies are doing all the work, and shoot, we are almost there. I should have the car back somewhere around New Year's, possibly even a week or two into the new year, so we'll see. There's a couple other odds and ends that we're trying to tidy up. We had to take some parts back to the powder coater as we had some issues with adjustments on the window trim for the rear window and things like that. So we're just trying to tighten up some other odds and ends that we had struggled with the car with for. So I'm just waiting on that, but in the meantime, I've been ordering parts, so that's why we're gonna do an unboxing on the Coilover. So let's get it. All right, you guys, so here we go right here. I actually already kind of opened it up already just because I filmed a video earlier, and that's how I kind of find out that it wasn't the full kit. But I just wanted to show you kind of what it looked like. It came packaged really well, double boxed and all that, so that was cool. It has the Viking logo here on the side. And I think this is a UPS box because it has a logo on the box as well. And man, UPS has been great as far as shipping goes. They always drop it off at the door, they knock and all that stuff, man. They're nothing like FedEx, as you guys have already heard about my FedEx experience. If you haven't, check out the last video. But anyways, let's go ahead and start unboxing. I believe this is a coil here, or a spring. That's the part number right there, 10SP550. And again, I've never had coilovers before, so I didn't research as far as which one is which, like if this coil goes in the front or the rear. I've never installed coilovers before, so again, this is kind of my first time really, looking at them face to face and holding them. But this is my first time kind of taking it out the bag and looking at them, and man, whoo, that is nice. And I'm not sure how much shorter these are than stock coils or not, so I don't know. But it has the little Viking logo on it, and man, that is super nice. Very nice piece, powder coated really nicely and well. No scratches or anything like that. So that is good on that one. And then here is the shock, the adjustable shock right here. It comes with all the hardware. And this is hardware that looks like it would be for the front. That as well. And then you have, I don't know the exact names for these, but that's for, I guess, the adjustment of the springs. So that's that there. I guess it would make sense if this, yeah, so that would probably sit something like that, and then you can adjust the stiffness of the ride and the height up and down. So you got, I'm not exactly sure what these pieces are called exactly, but that's why I don't have a name for them, but they come all in the kit. And then I think I bought an extra set of these, and then also the tool, so that should be coming in the mail as well. And I've never seen an adjustable unit in hand before, and man, oh man, this thing is super nice, you guys. Good weight to it, and shoot, I'm excited about this, y'all. And again, I went with Viking just because I heard great things, not just for Chevelle, but just overall, just people who have had these from, various cars, box Chevys, all kinds of cars, man. I've always heard great things about these guys. And so since they already have a kit specifically for a body, just made sense just to get it. So I'm sure these are some sort of adjustments. I don't know. I haven't read any directions on it yet, but man, very nice kit. So I'm excited about this, you guys, and man, I can't wait to install these units. It's gonna look nice in there, but also it's gonna help for the car to ride super nice just overall. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around real quick. Sorry that's not a little bit more in depth. I really don't know much about the kit. It's just as far as just my research has taken me. I know that, again, this kit is just for a full A-body unit, and from my understanding and what I have researched on a number of these kits, it's pretty much an easy install, and with the adjustability and the type of kit that I got with this one, it should make the car ride really nice. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short so I can get inside here, spend time with the lady and whatnot. But man, let me know what you guys think about this front kit. in the comments. Definitely leave a comment and let me know. When I get the rear kit in, I will do a video on that as well. And stay tuned for the conclusion of the CVS serpentine belt setup, y'all. Wish me luck on that. Hopefully everything turns out great and I get that in, and then that'll be one of the final pieces to everything that I'm supposed to get in regards to this build. So hopefully I'll get the car back here in the next month or so, and or month or less, I should say, and then we can start actually doing things on the car and putting these parts here to use on the car. So if you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing. Y'all hit that notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. My name is Mr. Griffin 23. I'm out of here. Deuces. Peace out.